progress meets persistence, it creates history. And when women step into traditionally male dominated bastions, they don't just enter, they redefine the narrative. The Indian Institutes of Technology have become a testament to this transformation, where a quiet revolution over the last 6 years has scripted a new chapter in gender inclusivity, reshaping both campuses and classrooms. Namaskar, I'm Pradosh Sharma, and you're watching Rhythm. In a landmark move that changed the face of technical education in India, a supernumerary quota for women was introduced in 2018, adding 20% extra seats to ensure better representation. This was not a reallocation but a creation of new opportunities following the recommendation of a forward thinking committee led by Timothy Gonzalez, then director of IIT Mandi. The ripple effect has been substantial as reflected in the data gathered under the Right to Information Act. Women's enrollment at the IITs has steadily risen. For instance, IIT Kanpur saw female enrollment soar from 908 in 2017 to 2124 in 2024, marking a remarkable 133% jump. This paradigm shift reflects a broader trend in the Indian higher education. The All India Survey on Higher Education 2021-22 indicates that women now comprise nearly 48% of total enrollment nationwide. However, within IITs, traditionally perceived as male dominated spaces due to their technical nature, gender imbalances persisted for years. The quota scheme aimed to alter this dynamic, and the numbers are finally telling a different story. Consider IIT Roorkee, where female enrollment rose from 1,489 in 2019 to 2,626 in 2024, representing a 76% increase. Similarly, IIT Bombay strategic orientation programs, specifically designed to engage girls who clear the JEE Advanced, help boost female enrollment from 570 in 2017 to 694 by 2024. Beyond numbers, initiatives like these signify a growing awareness of the need to create welcoming environments for women. Past efforts to elevate women's roles in education have paved the way for today's successes. In the 1950s, India became one of the first countries to guarantee gender equality constitutionally. Milestones like the National Policy on Education 1986 emphasized women education as a tool for empowerment. Later programs like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao and scholarships for women in STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics reinforced India's commitment to bridging gender gaps. IIT campuses have responded to changing demographics with tangible improvements. New hostels, enhanced safety measures, and additionally washrooms underscore a shift toward inclusivity. IIT Roorkee's investment of nearly 6 crore in surveillance systems, hiring female guards, and installing over 300 security cameras is one of the examples of prioritizing safety. Meanwhile, IIT Delhi's introduction of maternity rooms and sanitary vending machines reflects sensitivity toward women's unique needs. Yet challenges remain. Housing shortages, limited mentorships, and stereotypes still persist. At IIT Kanpur, reallocating open sports spaces for women's hostels raised concerns about infrastructure planning. Similarly, some male students at IIT Delhi voiced frustrations over shrinking hostel space. Despite these setbacks, the progress is undeniable. Looking ahead, India continues its drive towards gender parity with policies emphasizing women's participation in innovation and leadership. As the presence of women grows in technical education, their perspectives will shape not only engineering solutions but also societal progress. The IITs are just one chapter in a story of empowerment that stretches across the nation's future. From science labs to sports fields, women are claiming spaces that once excluded them, and in doing so, they are transforming not just institutions but India itself.